Go.
1 minute exercise. It's plank time. Everyone, come down to all fours.
Yep.
If you need to bring your knees down, please do so. But bring your glutes in. Okay. Bring your glutes towards the earth. If you see Energizing Bunny is doing the one that you could bring your knees down, and then Master Fred, aka Fast Freddy, is doing the more advanced version. Hold, keep breathing in, and exhaling out.
30 seconds.
Don't relax your belly. Pull your navel towards your spine. That's the trick to holding this posture. Pull your navel towards your spine. So squeeze that belly. Breathing in, exhaling out. Just a few more seconds.
45.
Oh, we made it this far. We are almost done with the 21 days. Almost done. You made it this far. You keep going. You keep going. You got this. You got this. Breathing in. And 3, 2, 1. Yeah.